The session screen of GrooveSetter is where all the magic happens. The main window will load the GrooveLink Audio Mixer routing matrix. It will display the number of channels of our input and output device we specified on the previous session settings screen. The GrooveLink routing grid provides flexible audio routing and mixing options. Along the top of the window, you will see the signals incoming to your matrix. There are several types of sources. This includes your physical input device channels of your microphone or external audio interface, which would show up as your stage name. As other groovers join the session, the audio channels arriving from them will show up along the top as well. Audio channels arriving from external applications, such as digital audio workstations like Pro Tools or Ableton, will also show up along the top. So, audio sources shown as your incoming signals can be physical inputs, connected groovers, or audio applications. Now, let's look at sound recipients. On the left side of the matrix, you will find the destinations your GrooveLink matrix can route audio to. First, we have your output device channels, such as your computer speakers, headphone jack, or external audio interface. As other groovers join the session, the audio channels you are sending to them over the internet will show up below. Last will be the audio channels sending signals to your connected external applications, such as digital audio workstations like Pro Tools or Ableton, or broadcasting software like OBS. So audio destinations, shown as your sound recipients, can be physical outputs of your computer or external audio interface, connected groovers, or connected audio applications. Here is the full layout of the GrooveLink audio routing matrix in an active session. In this scenario, I have my headphones connected to my external audio interface, so I will be able to hear anything routed to my first sound recipient channel in my left headphone speaker. Anything routed to my second sound recipient channel, I will be able to hear in my right headphone speaker. Notice how the arrows and the path of the signal are highlighted as I move the mouse across the grid. Routing an incoming signal to a sound recipient is easy. I simply click a tile on the grid to make a routing connection. Once I click on a tile, the tile will light up with the color of the incoming signal channel, and the signal will be routed to the destination. In this example, I'm routing input number 1 from Boston to the first recipient channel of my audio interface. If I want to make a stereo connection, I click to channels, like this. Now I'm routing the first incoming channel and the second incoming channel from Boston to my recipient channels number 1 and 2 of my audio interface. This results in me hearing the signal in both my left and right headphone speaker. Let's look at what the session screen looks like on Boston's side. Boston's GrooveLink routing matrix is set up the same way as mine. Along the top are all incoming signals arriving to Boston's routing matrix. Currently, Boston has two physical audio interface inputs connected to his matrix, as well as to channels arriving over the internet from me. On the left side sound recipients section of the matrix, Boston has the dual outputs for the physical audio interface, as well as the two open channels Boston is using to send signal to me. The dual inputs from the audio interface are routed to the two channels Boston is using to send audio signal to me over the internet. Back on my screen, I am routing these two incoming signal channels from Boston to my own recipient channels number 1 and 2 of my audio interface. This allows me to monitor Boston's signal directly in my headphones. As Boston captures audio using a microphone, that uncompressed sound is traveling through Boston's audio interface, then over the internet, and then arrives directly to me over the two peer-to-peer channels Boston and I have connected with. From here, once the signal arrives to my routing matrix, I am able to route the signal to any output connected on my matrix. This could be additional outputs on my audio interface, or mix board, other groovers, or external compatible audio applications.